Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Heartfelt Blooms. This is the last video from Celebration, so if you need any of the supplies, be sure to click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below, and this is the card that we are making today. Let's get started. Okay, so I have a piece of the springtime foil. And this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to get my Calypso Coral. And I'm going to get one of our sponges. And this is just one sponge cut in 6 pieces. And I just want to color right on top of there in a circular motion. And no two pieces will look exactly the same. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and put that aside. And then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 3 by 4. And then I have the Heartfelt Blooms flower mounted on block E. And I'm going to ink that up in the Sweet Sugar Plum. I'm going to be sad to see this one go. I love this color. But you have until May to get your hands on it. And you only have until March 31st to get the springtime foils. So if you want to get it, I suggest you get it now. All right. So just like that. And I'm going to come in with my embossing buddy, and I'm just going to tap it really lightly. And I have the Sending Heartfelt Thoughts, just this one from the Heartfelt Blooms. And I'm going to bring in my Versamark. And I have this mounted on block C. And I just want to put it right in the middle here. And then I have my copper embossing powder. Make sure it's good and covered. All right, and I'm just going to bring in my heat tool. And I'm going to put it on setting 2. Alright, now we will start putting this card together. I have the striped growth grade ribbon in this Sweet Sugar Plum. And I'm just going to come in with some regular old Scotch tape. and some snail adhesive. And then my card base is Sweet Sugar Plum, and it measures 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4.25. Right. And then I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals, and I'm just going to pop this up. Just like that. So there you have it, a quick and simple card. Send in somebody your heartfelt thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you need any of the supplies, you can click on the YouTube description below. Thank you. Bye.